In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix sign-in problems in Minecraft error code drown on 1.2. So let's get started. Now we're gonna look at various steps so you can go ahead and try all of them out to see which one works out. The first one is check your internet connection. Perfect. So verify that your internet connection is stable and strong. The next one is restart Minecraft and your device. Restart Minecraft and your device. So close Minecraft completely. Make sure you click on Alt F4 and then restart your computer or console and then reopen Minecraft to see if it works. You could also try updating Minecraft. So update Minecraft. So ensure you have the latest version of Minecraft installed. If any updates are available, download and install it. The next one is verify game files. So launch the game launcher, check for a verify game files option and then run the verification process. This is going to check all the corrupted files and fix them. The next one is check Minecraft server status. Check Minecraft server status. So visit the server's website or forums to look for any announcements or non-issues. If there are problems, reach out to server's administrator for assistance. Lastly, we have try a different account. Different account. So, if possible, try logging in with a different account to see if the issue persists. Ensure your account is not restricted or banned. So, alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.